are members of the National Executive Committee, Chairman, Vice Chairman, First National Vice Chairman for senior members, Second National Vice Chairman for collegiate members, Secretary General, National Treasurer, National Auditor, National Business Relations Officer, National Public Relations Officer, National Confederations Coordinators, one for senior members and one for collegiate, for Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And the National Justice Tribunal Officer, NGTO, and the last but not the least is the National Membership Development Officer. Siguro pwede tayo mag-elect ng chairman, isang vice chairman for senior members muna. Kasi ang ating mga estudyante, parang kukunti lang talaga sila. And then the National Treasurer, the Secretary General, the National Business Relations Officer, Public Relations Officer, and the National Membership Development Officer, and the National Justice Tribunal Officer. Yung mga common positions lang muna. For the purpose of this election, the National Chairman is the highest position in a governing body. Governing body. So siya parang presidente ng Pilipinas. Diba? Governing body. Of course, the National Vice Chairman, ang tawag kasi sa National Chairman, bagyan siya pasimuno. Tama ba? Jokingly aside, namumuno. Pero kung dili ta mag-joke, ang joke ta, pasimuno, mo'y mag-una-una. Ang National Vice Chairman, sa Tagalog pa, ito konsentidor. Sunod-sunod naman sa presidente. So, konsentidor. But, pangalawang Pangulo. Di ba? Pangalawang Pangulo. And the Secretary, ang Secretary natin is recorder. Pero hindi ito recorder lang. Secretary General ang posisyon. That means he is serving as the Executive Director. Nagpapatakbo talaga ng... Kasi lahat ng decision siya ang pumapasa sa lahat ng chapter and considerations. Hindi siya recording hindi siya tagasulat lang. Secretary General SG. The National Treasurer, of course, is the Finance Officer of the National. The Auditor, of course, itong National Treasurer pala, sa Tagalog pa, Kubrador. Kubra. Ang National Auditor, ito yung one. Ano ba National Auditor, Goods? Ha? Dili Quintador. National Auditor, kasabwat. National Business Relations Officer, actually Business Officer na siya. National Public Relations Officer, of course, Information Officer. National Justice Tribunal Officer is the judge, the fiscal, and the lawyer. And the National Membership Development Officer is the DILG. Kung sa tuwa pa, DILG. Local Government. Saan naman ito, Salvi? These are the positions very important. We also agreed yesterday na dapat mahibawaan o dapat malaman ninyo kung ano talaga ang nature ng posisyon para baka nabigla lang tayo o baka akala natin pareho lang ng student grand mega nito. Mabuti malaman natin kung gaano kabigat ang responsibilidad. But mind you, the National Advisory Council members and officers would be there to lend you a hand. Huwag kayong mag-alala, nasa likod mo kami para tumulak sa iyo. We'll be at your back para itulak ka. Itong NAC na yun, nandito, we'll be assisting you. We'll be helping you. So, meron kayong backup. So, ang dito lahat, nasa harap, is not anymore available for nomination. Kayo dyan lahat sa baba, available kayo for nomination. Ganun yun. Oo, huli-huli na punta. Pero I'll tell you, it is better now because we will be following, may guidelines na tayo eh. Meron tayong guide eh. Kumbaga sa daan pa to, nabuksan natin yung daan. Pwede hindi pa siya espaltado, pwede hindi pa siya simentado, pero gravel na ang daan. May daan na. All you have to do is to improve it. Meron ka na pupuntahan eh, meron ka ng way out or way in. Hindi ka tulad nung simula tayo dito, talagang tayo pa ang naggawa ng daan, pinulus pa natin yun. May maraming nasaktan. Pero ito ngayon, it's already smooth na, kasi meron ka na susundin eh. Meron ka ng guidelines, meron ka ng precedents, and then meron ka ng pagtanungan. Itong mga matatanda sa harap mo. Yan, pagtanungan, meron na kayong pagtanungan. So, it not be as hard as before. But still, the responsibility would be as heavy as it is today. Are we ready to elect our National Executive Committee Chairman? But before that, I would like to request all presidents of the different alumni chapters to please dito daw sa harap itong backbaker. Davao City, Randy. From Davao del Norte, si Camacho. Dito. Para makita natin. Zamboanga. Sino yung iba? Cebu. Sa Cebu. Para makita. Ito yung mga panggitan eh. Lagay natin dito sa harap lang. Dito. So that we can see you. No? Dipolog. Dochi. Alito. Katawa si Dunso mo, katawa si Dunso. Dito tayo, yung mga president. Please lang dito, yung president ng alumni. And the Grand Megas. So may Grand Megas dito sa harap. Ano sa klasik pa natin?
Megas.
Bebe, Brad, please, Randy is from Davao, no? Zamboanga. Si Roy. Si Ferdinand Camacho is from Davao del Norte. Kumbal. Si Ferdinand. Then next is from ito si Juan, bro. Cebu. Si Kit Cebu din.
Davao.
Grand Megan. Yan, isali natin itong estudyante. Then Manila is si Mark Tabornal, no? Manila. Sino pa nandyan available? Kung wala kayong Juan, kung wala kayong president nandito, yung representative. Yung representative natin. Oh, alito, upo ka, sali ka rito. Si Dochi, Dipolog pa ka diyan. Upo man lang, hindi, ipakilala lang natin sila. Kasi sila ang mga nagdadala sa lokal eh. So ikaw, sana si Ferdinand? Natulog na? Ferdinand! Sige, sino yung iba? Bigyan natin ng lugar. Sino pa? Kasi, to tell you frankly, ang pinagpapawal ng ating Tindugwa, ang Iloilo, si Kaloy. Yung host natin, si Kaloy. Ang pinagpapawal lang ng ating bylaws ay hindi pwedeng umawak ng kahit anong posisyon sa National Executive Committee ang member and officer ng National Advisory Council. So hindi pwede yan sila magdalawa-dalawa. All the rest, pwede. Alam mo, presidente ka ng alumni dito sa baba, pwede ka pa rin i-elect doon sa national. So pwede yun. Now, this is an open nomination. That means kahit hindi ka presidente, kahit hindi ka officer, pwede ka ma-elect. Ha? Open nomination to eh. According to our bylaws, pwede. Walang qualification, walang requirements. Pero kung titingnan mo ang qualification, of course, na-discuss natin kanina, your commitment, time, money, effort, patience, sabi nga ni Jude, patience, kailangan malawak yung patience mo. Marunong kang magpasensya. Kasi kung bugnutin ka, tatanda ka rito.